Solve the equation 3 equals x plus 3 minus 5x. Whenever you have several things going on one side, you want to combine like terms. So I have x and minus 5x, which will give us negative 4x because, 1 invisible 1 plus negative 5 is negative 4. X comes along for the ride. Speaking of coming along for the ride, that 3 equals drops down, that plus 3 drops down, and now we have a two-step equation. Always get rid of the number that's floating around first. So get rid of plus 3 by doing the inverse of it, which is minus 3, like so. Subtract 3 from both sides. 3 minus 3 is 0. So you might be looking at that and thinking, oh, I did something wrong. No, you didn't. So if you take negative 4 times x and you need to get rid of negative 4, do the inverse of negative 4, which is divide negative 4. Divide negative 4, and 0 divided by negative 4 is 0. So all is well. The answer is allowed to be 0. So flip those around because I always like putting my variables on the left side, although it's not necessary, but I just like to do it. And that's our answer. So x equals 0. 0 is a number. You're allowed to get that. So hope this helps.